Back at it with another install. Today we're going to be installing this nice little roof wing I received on eBay. I feel like it's going to look pretty cool. Nice little look to the car. I tried painting it, but I failed pretty miserably. As you can see, I believe right there and over here. And you'll see the back part right now when I put the double-sided tape on, but I tried painting it like 3 times and I messed up because I didn't let it dry good, and when I flipped it over on the cardboard, it got stuck on there and it pretty much just peeled the paint right off. Yeah, it happened like 3 times. I sanded it down and painted it, and I'm just done with it. I'm just gonna put it on how it is, as bad as it's gonna get for now. I'll just paint it professionally sometime, but yeah, it's all good though. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is you guys are going to want to prep your surfaces. So the back windshield with some glass cleaner. I'm just going to be using this. It says interior cleaner, but it says it also cleans glass, so I'm just going to use that. What I got. And also for the roof wing, I would recommend cleaning the back surface where you're going to put the double-sided tape with rubbing alcohol. That way, because it dries fast, then it leaves a clean surface. I don't have any on me, so I'm gonna try to do it without it, see how it goes. But yeah, let's get it started. Alright guys, after you get your surface on the roof wing cleaned with some rubbing alcohol, you're going to want to put some double-sided tape around there. This actually came with some skinny double-sided tape, but I have no idea where I put it. So I'm just going to be using this Scotch double-sided tape. Should be fine though. So you're going to want to grab yourself some scissors too. So you're going to want to put it like around the surface where it's going to meet with the window over there. I'm not going to show it on film since it should be pretty simple, but I'll still show you how I did it myself. Alright guys, so this is how I laid it out. Probably not the most efficient way of doing it, but hey, if it works, it works. I mean, we'll find out once I hit the freeway. But yeah, I mean, if you had the skinny one, it'll be way easier because I'll just put it all around and it'll line up pretty good because it's skinny. It's more flexible than this one. I mean, over here I had to kind of cut out the shapes so it could align together. But yeah, I mean, it's all good though. But alright man, so next step, you're gonna want to take this side off of the tape and stick it on the roof. Alright guys, so this is what the final product looks like. I didn't get it on video because it was kind of hard doing it at the same time, but if you can't have someone help you do it, that will be great because it helps a lot. I have this side is pretty uneven compared to the other side. I mean, it's not the best, but it's alright. I mean, I'll just fix it later when I repaint it or something. But it looks nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll get a better shot when I'm out of the garage so you guys get a better look at it also in the day. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty cool. There you go. Alright guys, well that pretty much wraps up today's install. It's a nice little quick video. Give it a nice little look to the car. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below on how it looks. And be ready for more mods on my car and my truck. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.